Hey folks, this is Jordan with Brad Deery Ford. I just wanted to show off this 2023 Tremor that we got in. The MSRP on this vehicle is $73,085. We are actually selling it at $68,413. This vehicle's got the 3.5 EcoBoost and 4x4 shift on the fly. You can see with the Tremor here, you get gold accents on the exterior, some little vents on the hood. All-terrain tires and off-road shocks. Walking around it further, you can see you have the bed utility package. This vehicle also has pre-collision assist and the 360-degree camera. And then looking inside here, you can see gold trim in all the seats as well. Heated seats in the rear. Cooled and heated seats up front. And then this also has the twin panel moonroof. Up front here, you can see we have the upgraded sound system. And the screen also has built-on navigation. So if this is a vehicle you think you'd be interested in, just give me a call at 563-202-8853. Thanks.